Do you want to maximize your profit using Performance Max campaign? Are you left behind from competitor in race of PMAX campaign? Then you are at the right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We have completed the first month of 2024. If you are still confused about how to use Google Ads PMAX campaign effectively, then this guide is for you. My name is Karthik and I am a PPC manager at Softtrix. So stay tuned with us. Today we are diving into nitty-gritty of setting up a Performance Max campaign. So let's get started. So why we should use PMAX campaign? First thing first, who should be using Performance Max campaign in 2024? Whether you are an e-commerce business or a service-based one, PMAX is designed for you. It covers all marketing channels like search network, display network, Gmail, Maps, Discovery network, and every YouTube. For e-commerce, connecting with Google Merchant Center enhances your reach. Important prerequisites before going into Performance Max campaign: ensure your account has a solid foundation with at least 30 conversions in the past 30 days. These conversions should be meaningful, like confirmed transaction, purchases, add to cart, inquiries, and so on. Also set a budget that aligns with your cost per acquisition, ensuring a minimum of 30 conversions monthly. Time and budget investment. Starting with PMAX demands patience. It might take 3 to 4 months or more, along with an initial investment. PMAX focuses on audience targeting, so the more data Google Ads has, the better. Be cautious if you have diverse product categories. Consider splitting them for better control. Structure for PMAX campaign. Now let's jump into setup process. Ensure your campaign and asset group structure mirrors your website. I'll demonstrate this for both e-commerce and service-based businesses. E-commerce and service-based structure. For an e-commerce campaign, align asset groups with your product categories. For a service-based campaign, match asset groups with your service offerings. This helps in better optimizations. PMAX campaign setup. Step by step, I'll guide you through the step process in an e-commerce account, but the step apply to service-based businesses too. Choose sales, as we are focusing on generating conversions. Remember, the shopping feed is crucial for e-commerce. Pick your path. Decide whether your campaign is all about boosting sales or generating leads. It's like choosing your adventure in digital marketing realm. In simple language, choose the campaign type based on sales or leads. Now is how maximize Performance Max. Take a leap and opt for Performance Max. Now decide if you want to charm new customer or stick with the loyal ones. Opt for Performance Max and decide whether to optimize for new customers. Now map your territory. Think of this step like planning a world tour. Select your target countries wisely. Once they share common vibes, it means select target countries, keeping similarities in mind. Now put the assets on autopilot. Imagine having a magic assistant to create assets for your ads effortlessly. Enable automatically created assets for the seamless ad magic. That we will enable automatically created assets for smoother ad creation. Name it right. Treat your campaign and asset groups like character in a story. Give them names that tell a tale, making it easier for you to navigate through your digital landscape. Targeting matters the most. In the search theme section, add keywords that are like secret codes connecting you to potential customer. It's the language of the internet and you want to speak it fluently. Add relevant keywords in the search theme sections. The details matter. Use detailed demographics such as gender, age group, specifically like a secret weapon. What only if you have got the intel. Budget talks more. Money matters, right? Set a budget that aligns with your cost per conversion. It's like deciding how much you are willing to spend to make a scale or grab a lead. Now review carefully and publish your campaign. So in terms of the conclusions, and there you have it. Your Performance Max campaign is ready to roll. Remember, patience is key and monitor performance. Help in fine tuning. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.